Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about cell, the fundamental unit of life. So, sir, what is cell? What is cell? Let me give you an example first. Let me give you an example. For example, in chemistry, we say matter. We say matter. And if we deeply look into this matter is made up of smallest particles that are known as atoms. That are known as atoms. Means that when these atoms combine, they form matter. And alternatively, if we say matter is made up of atoms, or we can say it other way, when atoms combine, they form matter. So this is chemistry. This is chemistry. Sir, now here we are not studying chemistry, we are studying biology. Sir, what is cell? And in the similar case, if we take organism, this organism, like this matter is made up of atoms. In the similar way, this organism is made up of cells. This organism is made up of cells. And when these cells combine, they finally form an organism. So what is cell? This was the example. This was the example. Like in matter, we have smallest particles, atoms, and in living organisms, we have smallest particles, cells. We have smallest particles, cells. Now, sir, give the definition. Sir, give the definition of this cell. Give the definition of this cell. I will give the definition of this cell. What is cell? What is cell? Cell is the structural, functional, and biological unit of life. Unit of, what is the definition? Cell is the structural, functional, and biological unit of life. I use three words. First of all, I said it is structural unit of life. Structural unit of life. Then I said by functional unit of life. Functional unit of life. Then I said biological unit of life. Sir, when you have used three words, it is a structural, functional, and biological unit of life. What does it mean? Structural unit of life means when these cells combine, they form a structure. Like I am a structure, I am an organism, and I am made up of cells. And I am made up of the cells. And I can give you another example. If we have lot of bricks, for example, if we have lot of bricks, when we combine these bricks, they form a house. They form a big house. Means that these bricks are structural unit for house. And in the same way, these cells are structural unit for organism. Structural unit for organism. And sir, what is functional unit of life? And cell is not only the structural unit of life, but beta, cell is the functional unit of life also. Sir, what is functional unit of life? Functional unit of life means all the functions, whether respiration, whether digestion, whether excretion, all the living functions are done by these cells, okay. And biological unit of life means without these cells, life would be impossible. So these are the three words. What is cell? Cell is the structural unit of life, cell is the functional unit of life, and cell is the biological unit of life. Now there comes an object who can come there,